Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Monday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 4th of August 2025. The US Dow Jones decreased 1.23%, settling the day at 43,588.58, while the Nasdaq ended the session at 20,650.13, decreasing 2.24%. In the Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 39,950 and Hang Seng is trading at 24,431. Gift Nifty is currently trading at 24,690, indicating a start in the green for the Indian market. FII sold 3,366.40 crore in the cash market, while DII bought 3,186.86 crore in the last trading session. India's July manufacturing PMI came in at 59.1, surpassing 58.4 in June. Use of data from GST, Vahan portal, UPI transactions being considered for GDP calculation, said the MOSPI secretary. Now talking about global aspects, US non-farm employment rose by 73k, below the forecast of 106k, and the previous 14k steadies after tumble as investors eye imminent Fed cuts. WTI fell 2.79% to $67.33 a barrel, and Brent fell 2.83% to $69.67 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 98.72. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 0.21%, up. Here is a recap of Friday's trading session. Indian equity benchmarks extended losses from the previous session, with Nifty breaching its 100-day EMA. This decline was triggered by US President Trump's executive order imposing new tariffs ranging from 10% to 41%, effective August 1st. Despite India's factory activity growth reaching a 16-month high, most sectoral indices, except FMCG, traded in the red. Outlook for today: Nifty formed a long red candle, sliding below its 100 EMA, amid broad-based weakness across auto, pharma, metal, IT, and telecom sectors. The decline was triggered by concerns over newly imposed 25% US tariffs on Indian goods, persistent fee outflows, and global uncertainties. Support lies at 24,400 to 24,500, while the 24,800 to 24,900 zone will now act as resistance. With technical momentum weakening, a sell-on rise strategy would be prudent for today's session. Bank Nifty slipped lower, ending near the previous day's low and forming a bearish candle, suggesting persistent supply at higher levels. Despite minor support from select private banks, the broader tone remained cautious, especially with PSU banks under pressure. The index now finds support at 55,200 and 54,900, while resistance is seen at 56,100 and 56,500. Unless 56,400 is breached convincingly, the tone is likely to stay weak, making sell-on rise a preferred short-term strategy. Stocks on the radar: bullish view, Trent, Dabur, Hero MotoCorp, Geofin, Dixon Tech, ICICI Bank. Bearish view: Sun Pharma, Infosys, Tata Motors, Hind Zinc, Oberoi Realty. Trade of the day is bullish on Coromandel, buy at 2,585, stop loss 2,520. Target 2,800. Rationale: bullish continuation. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purposes. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.